Hey everybody, this is Rigo from Burkhardt. We're gonna be replacing this AC this morning. This is a little bit of the process. Already finished recovering. This is some of the pea gravel that we're gonna be using. The pad, level it, and we're gonna be digging out this line set. It's too low to the ground, and the customer states that they're getting water inside the house. That's why I'm digging that one out and moving it up a little higher, maybe towards the siding, somewhere up there. And that's the old hole. It's nice and sealed. There's a new one, new line set, new low voltage. And I'm all done setting the AC down. Nice and level. Already soldered. Did the low voltage. We're just waiting for the electrician to do their part. And about to start pressure test. We temp it up. It's running like a champ. There it is.